Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. For things to change for you, you've got to change. Personal growth is the key to transformation. If you want different results, you must be willing to adjust your mindset, habits, and actions. Opportunity mixed with difficulty equals difficulty. Every opportunity comes with challenges. Success isn't about avoiding difficulties but learning how to navigate them. The only way it will change for you is when you get better. You can't expect better results without improving yourself. Focus on self-improvement, and your circumstances will naturally change. Good to study major things. Some people spend a lot of time on minor things. Prioritize what truly matters. Many people get caught up in distractions instead of focusing on what will bring real progress. Life and business are like the changing seasons. There are ups and downs in life, just like the seasons. Learning to adapt is crucial. You cannot change the seasons, but you can change yourself. Some things are out of your control, but how you respond to them is within your power. You cannot get more time, but you can create more value. Everyone has the same 24 hours. The key is making the most of them by increasing your skills and contributions. You get paid primarily for the value you bring, not the time you spend. Income is a reflection of your skills, knowledge, and ability to solve problems, not just the hours you work. You must learn to handle the nights. It comes right before the day. Tough times always precede breakthroughs. Endure the struggles, knowing that better days are ahead. Learn how to handle the winters. Difficult times will come. Instead of complaining, prepare for them and build resilience. The only way it will get better for you is when you change. External circumstances improve when you improve yourself. Growth leads to progress. Life comes not by chance but by change. Success is not a random event. It's the result of intentional decisions and actions. You must learn to handle difficulty. It comes with opportunity. Challenges and opportunities go hand in hand. Mastering adversity is key to growth. You must learn to handle recession. It comes with progression. Setbacks are often a sign of bigger things ahead. Learning to navigate downturns helps you emerge stronger. You can get stronger, you can get wiser, you can get better. Your potential for growth is limitless. Keep evolving. The winter won't change, but you can. Difficult situations remain the same, but you can adjust your mindset and strategy to overcome them. Don't wish for fewer problems, wish for more skills. Instead of avoiding challenges, develop the ability to conquer them. Don't wish for less challenge, wish for more wisdom. Growth comes from solving bigger problems. Seek wisdom to handle them effectively. Planting in the spring or begging in the fall. Preparation is everything. If you don't put in the work early, you'll regret it later. Life is like a candle in the wind. Life is fragile and unpredictable. Make the most of every moment. Learn how to reap in the fall without complaint. Accept the results of your efforts, whether good or bad, and learn from them. Take full responsibility for yourself. Your life is in your hands. Own your choices and take control of your destiny. If you don't like your personal address, change it. You're not a tree. If you're unhappy with your situation, change it. You're not stuck unless you choose to be. Learn to work harder on yourself than on your job. If you work hard on yourself, you can make a fortune. Personal development has a higher return on investment than simply working harder at a job. Success is something you attract by the person you become. True success isn't just about wealth, it's about developing character, skills, and discipline. Not to search for the exotic until you discover the basics. Master the fundamentals before chasing advanced strategies. Greatness starts with a solid foundation. Your income is related to your philosophy, not just the economy. Your beliefs and mindset shape your financial success more than external factors. What you've become is much more valuable than what you get. Material success is temporary, but the skills, knowledge, and experiences you gain last forever. Be a student, not a follower. Always be learning, questioning, and thinking for yourself. Don't blindly follow the crowd. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment.